Which of the following correctly defines liberalization in an economy? 1. Process of decreasing traits of a state economy and increasing traits of a market economy. Second, the transfer of ownership, property or business from the government to the private sector. Third, the process by which businesses or other organizations develop international influence or start operating on an international scale. Fourth, both 1 and 2. Solution हो जाएगा A. The term liberalization has the same connotation in economics as its root word liberalism. Pro-market or pro-capitalistic inclination in the economic policies of an economy is the process of liberalization. Option B, privatization. Option C, globalization. Question 8. Positive pay mechanism ensures prevention of frauds perpetrated through check tampering/alteration, securing loans from IMF at low interest rates, facilitating digital transactions for a cashless economy, portability of money wallets. So answer हो जाएगा this is a measure for prevention of frauds perpetrated through check tampering alteration. Positive pay system involves reconfirming of key details of the check by drawer to the bank, which would be cross-checked with the presented check at the time of payment processing. Next, the Indian Institute of Technology IIT Ropar has developed an app to help the visually impaired recognize currency notes called रोशनी पहचान दृष्टि रूपी. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा A. Consider the following statements. 1. GSECs treasury bills are examples of legal tender. Second, El Salvador became the first country to use Bitcoin as legal tender. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? 1 only, 2 only. So यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा only statement 2 is correct. GSECs and treasury bills are neither fiat money nor legal tender. To become a legal tender, a given coin currency must fulfill two conditions simultaneously. It must be a fiat money and simultaneously it must be legally valid for all debts and transactions throughout the country. Every banknote is legal tender in India. Next, consider the following statements. 1. Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 empowers the National Payments Corporation of India NPCI to regulate card payment, e-payment related products and services. eKuber is the core banking solution CBS platform of the RBI. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2 both, neither 1 or 2. So answer हो जाएगा Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 empowers the RBI to regulate card payment, e-payment related products and services. eKuber is the core banking solution CBS platform of RBI. CBS is a banking software with web platform for centralized data management and branchless banking. Next, which of the following statements regarding core banking solutions are correct? 1. It is a networking of banks' branches which enables customers to operate their accounts regardless of where they open their accounts. Second, it is an effort to increase RBI's control over commercial banks through computerization. Third, it is a detailed procedure by which a bank with huge non-performing assets is taken over another bank. So answer हो जाएगा CBS is a banking software with web platform for centralized data management and branchless banking. Example, eKuber. Next, which of the following statements regarding e-rupee is incorrect? It is an SMS QR code based prepaid cashless electronic voucher created by the National Payment Corporation of India NPCI using its UPI platform. B. It has been developed in collaboration with the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and National Health Authority. C. It is a post-paid voucher which he can go and redeem at any center that accepts it. D. E-rupee does not require any beneficiary to have a bank account. Only option C is incorrect. It is a prepaid voucher which he can go and redeem at any center that accepts it. Next, consider the following statements. Cryptocurrencies do not have intrinsic value. Second, cryptocurrency can be fiat money. Which of the statements are correct? Cryptocurrencies do not have intrinsic value. Example of intrinsic value includes metallic coins. Fiat money, it must fulfill two conditions simultaneously. It must be in the form of physical currency coin, physical currency notes, virtual coin, digital coin, crypto coin, which can be measure value, and simultaneously it must be issued by the order of a king, queen,